Congratulations! Your research paper has been published. Now, let's look at how to spread the word about your findings. The academic world is wide open for new, insightful research like yours, but it's also crowded. How can you help make your work stand out? We're here to help. Online social media has affected the journal's market profoundly, as users place a premium on active engagement with the scholarly community. Social media can be an important way to promote your journal article to the wider community. Often, it is even more effective when coming from an author or editor as an expert in the field. Strike up a conversation with your readership. Here are the social media channels we recommend. Twitter is the simplest social media channel to use for promotion and is an ideal tool to reach new audiences. Read Sage's guide for how to use Twitter. You can share your own content as well as set up search terms to enable you to monitor what is being talked about in your areas of interest. You can then join in on conversations and share relevant research. The more you engage, the more people will follow you to listen to your comments and recommendations, allowing you to position yourself as a leading source of information on specific topics, as well as widen the reach and impact of your name. LinkedIn is not just for career opportunities. It is a global network of professionals with over 500 million members. You can include links to your articles as part of the profile summary of your professional expertise and accomplishments, or promote the article on your feed. Be sure to also link your articles on your website or in your CV, which will help increase the article's search engine results and downloads. Blogging is both a form of academic writing as well as an effective way to reach new audiences and increase the discoverability of your article. Write about your recent publication in a blog, or post on a listserv or other relevant website about your recent publication. Spread the word. If appropriate, add your article to your course reading list. Suggest the same to your colleagues and peers. For more ideas on how you can use social media tools to help promote your article, please read our guide. Thank you for watching. To find out more, visit our website at sagepub.com. We wish you the best of luck in your research journey.